Okay, today I will do the introduction for merry-go-round of life tutorial, and we're gonna start with first three measures. So right hand has a series of 2/8 notes descending. So we'll have D, E flat, D flat 3 times, then C, D, then the third time, and then 3 notes down. Alright, left hand, B flat, C, 2, 3, then A, B flat, then G, A, then 3 notes down. Alright, put them together and you have the first 3 measures. Slower. 2, 3, 2, 3. Let me repeat this one more time. Trying to see the fingers, so I will have 1 and 3. Actually 2 and 3. Alright, now left hand, so while you're holding right hand, left hand goes all the way down to D, and then A, D, F sharp. Right hand, the same 3 notes, which is A, D, F sharp, just block it together. So we have the introduction. So let me do this one more time. D, A, D, F sharp. Alright, the melody starts in the right hand. So I'm gonna do right hand first. D, G, B flat. And this is chord, we're gonna roll. Instead of block it, we're gonna roll and then block. So 1, 2, 3. So the next measure is, on the bottom is a D and F sharp, and the melody is gonna go this way. And I keep holding down the D and F sharp. Oops, keep making mistakes if I can get it right. And then I let go of D and F sharp. So let me repeat this one more time from the top. Roll. 3, then, oh my gosh. Very important, if you make a mistake, make sure you fix your mistake. So your brain gets back to do not make a mistake. Okay. Okay, so that was the first phrase. Alright. Second phrase starts with G. This is G minor. And then double notes. 6, B flat, G. And again, I'm gonna hold the B flat on the bottom, and I'm gonna continue with my upper voice. So B flat stays, and then rolling F, A, D, F. Such gorgeous. So again. Okay, that's the second phrase. Let's go for the third phrase. Third phrase starts with A. So the first phrase starts with A, D, B flat. Second, so oh my gosh, it just hit me. This is G minor, and so is this is G minor. And guess what? The next one is gonna be D minor. See, this is a D minor. If I flip that A down, that's the beginning of the third phrase. Then it goes back to G minor. Next chord is B flat, D flat, F. Ooh, so pretty. E natural back to F. And again, look, I'm holding B flat and D flat. So again, I'm gonna go to the third phrase. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, repeat this again because I don't think I did this correctly in rhythm. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, I'm dividing them by 3 measures. The next one is I'm gonna roll again the 3 notes, A, D, and G. And I'm gonna hold these 2 bottom notes and I'm gonna go to F. Next measure is gonna go A and E. 1, 2, holding bottom A, 3. A lot of holding notes down, I know. Okay, so that's next phrase, so I'm gonna repeat this again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. D, F, C. And I'm gonna hold bottom these 2 notes. C, B flat, C, D, C, G, A. Let me repeat this phrase one more time. So 3 notes and I'm holding D and F. B flat, C, D, C, G, A. Almost done, almost done. Hold on, don't stop watching me. I'm almost done. Next part. So those 3 notes. And now it's gonna be series of 2 notes. 1 and 2. Again, I know, very dissonant. It's actually a 5th. It's a 5th. Instead of triplets, it's 5thlets. It's almost you have to do it by ear. Oops. I know. Every time I play, I feel like it's not correct. But when you put it left hand together, see how nice it goes into. Beautiful. Again, and the next part. So let me repeat again. Left hand will be, sorry I jumped into the left hand. So it's D major, D octave with F sharp, A in the middle. And the right hand just gonna go scale down. Keep remember that F sharp in the beginning of the measure lasts through entire measure. Before, okay, we're not going there. Okay, left hand, bottom A, or we did this, or we didn't. Okay, left hand, bottom C, then big jump to G minor, with E flat on top. Dissonant. So again, G minor with E flat on top. Look at my fingers. 5, 3, 2, 1. Then I go octave D. 1, 2, 3. Then I go again to G minor. G. Again, G minor with thumb on E flat. And the next one I just repeat G and repeat the same chord. The next chord is C, which is a C minor. You can, if your hands are too small, if you cannot reach C, E flat, G, and G in the bottom, you can just play inversion of C minor, which is E flat, C, G. But the original is here. The next one is F, and it's inverted F. This is the normal F. This is the first inversion. And then B flat. And this is going to be B flat major 7. See, this is B flat 7, but if I take this A, flip down, I will get this chord, and if I flip F back, that's the chord we want. And I repeat that chord with F at the bottom. Then we go down to E. Gorgeous. diminished because it's a third minor steps. Oops. Oops. I just low diminished. Never mind. Okay, sidetrack. Let's go back again here. Diminished chord. I love them. D, C, same chord. B flat, F, A, B flat. Little diminished. Dissonant. And then D. Ooh, gorgeous. And then that leads us to the very last part, which is that one. And D major. And voila. Let me play the whole thing again. There we go. I hope I was helpful.